University ya Bunyoro neza kutemburwa hitaka lya hikigana eryahirwe Dr. Canon Henry Wamani omucyaro cya Nyantwe omuru Buhimba East Ward omutawuni kanso ya Buhimba omuru district ya KIKUUBE.
Maama na mzee tukwenda kubasima muno habokuija ekiro kino
ejo kujihikaho notambura kilomita 1.5 okuruga haruguto rwa Hoima Fort Portal Chenjojo
atugarukiremu esara yaitu twasabire abo kuba kino ekintu nikekyo twayendaga nti tuhereze yitaka university government erikirize eritwale nabo ekyo kiro kintu kusima mukama kandi ntumugarule kitinisa
kwenda kusima muno president wetu Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kwenda kusima mama minister wetu education kandi facility habwa okurora nti bantu Bunyoro Public University habukwaka kusanga batagurantengire Bunyoro Public University ntantu tukwairo hanyuma nyina kusima Dr. Wamani na family.
Dr. Wamani yashobora kunobaza kubanza okukozesa huitaka lya hika 20
government nkabangeherizo obulyo ngageherezo obulyo bwe enkora yemirundi ebire kwetne yenda ekora yokubanze kabante werata kwetaga consection ekakiona bakusako semeza uga hika 20 for free staina ukinti kyona staina sente nibatandike mirimo yabo then hanyuma yemyaka nka 8 ninyihamwe emiti yange mu hika 8 zikuba zisigaire ningitunda
handru kirungi byakutaga obukama bwa Bunyoro kitara nagira ngo abantu bucweka obutonyezo 8 harigana nubo bine degree za university mu Bunyoro yona ahabwibura rya university ya government omushicweka
enamba ziri haiguru muno baitulija kugambira nti umwaka 2014 data erohe kuruko mu Uganda Bureau of Statistics kolekya nti only 0.8% of people above 18 years have a university degree. Ege namba iri hansi muno.
Tuje tutandike kuombeka, tuje tutandike kuteka yo business abo kwa university enyumira mukavuga. Enyumiro mukavuga no kusemera kuba yo social amenities inakuba ya masanyaraza amaizi nuko gamba abantu banguhirwe abakusoma evening kikumesa nakola se inakolebwa banguhirwe kutemba pikipiki kuruga mtaoni baje basome evening
kere tutalibana muno mumbintu byo kusoma Abaana university ziri hayihiyo benosanga Fort Portal Kampala kandi kitubere expensive.
Minister w'Obyegyese Maama Janet Kataha Museveni omukugamba kwe yasima akomutano eka ya Dr. Wamani ahabwo kwayitaka hikigana nuko kumushabiro buhangazi emigisha okurugo wa Ruhanga.
Your Excellency, in a special way, also let me recognize now Canon Henry Wamani and his family, a patriotic Ugandan who have sacrificially gifted this public university with their 100 acres of land upon which the campus for this university will be established.
Maama Janet Museveni nagira ngo government etireho billioni 15 omwaka gw'ebyesente ogu okurebeka ngo emirimo yatandika.
As it is written in the Bible in Proverbs chapter 11 verses 25, it says in quotes, "A generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed himself." Today's breaking of ground for the construction of a public university in Bunyoro region is a testament to your vision of establishing a public university in each zone based on the old colonial districts at the time.
This is going to be a game changer, Your Excellency, for the development of our region. There is nothing, Your Excellency, that has united us than this project. I'm telling you. And so, Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of everybody to thank you.
President omukugamba kwe yashobora ngo bagira mu bwebembezi bakashanga haruho makere yonka eyabire neshomesa ebyo bushaho nabona kwe kucwamo okutandika kwa matendekera gandi.
When the NRM came into government, there was only one public university, Makerere University. And we said Makerere University was graduating 80 doctors a year. According to the WHO, you need 1 doctor for every 500 people. Uganda, with a population of 46 million people, needs 92,000 doctors. Therefore, with graduating 80 doctors a year, you can see there was no hope of fulfilling the tasks.
Purezidenti Museveni yagambira abantu ngu biine kucumanya oku buri kintu kiine obwire bwakyo.
The issue of prioritization, doing what you can afford at the right time. Ninyi mukibarizeho, you have been talking about timing. Those people have been telling you that NRM ebeberwe tekufayo, those are your enemies. They want Uganda to they don't understand prioritization. When we were fighting, that's exactly what we did. Obo mukurora abaserikare baitu nibekara umuji bw'ebinyasi. Tumbarora abaserikare bamahe bekara umuji bw'ebinyasi. Beto obo muji bw'ebinyasi takuterisa sokafa.
Yagamba ngu abantu ba Bunyoro biine okukozesa amaani okureba ngu abaana ba Bunyoro bashomera mu university.
Now, because of the economy has grown much more, and we have handled a number of other issues, since some few years ago, it was the time to implement a public university policy in Bunyoro.
University neza kuba university ya government y'ikumi kandi President Museveni niwe yagiraganisize amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose n'wagabakatoto.